Struggling to get clients? What if I told you there's a 7-day strategy to land your first high-ticket client, even if you have zero experience? Stay till the end, and I'll give you my exact strategy. Alright, let's dive in. Day 1 and 2. Optimize your social media for authority. First impressions matter. Before you even reach out to clients, they'll check your profile. And if it doesn't look like you know what you're doing, game over. Fix your bio. Clearly state your expertise. Post 3. 5 case studies, testimonials, or value-packed posts. Use a professional profile picture, no random selfies, keep it clean and professional. Highlight results and proof. If you don't have past clients, showcase personal projects. Example bio. I help real estate agents get 20+ leads per week with Facebook ads. Day 3 and 4, cold outreach strategy. Now that your profile looks like an expert's, it's time to reach out to high-paying clients. Here's a simple message that actually gets replies. Hey, first name, I noticed, specific pain point they have. I specialize in helping niche solve this exact problem. I'd love to share a quick strategy that can benefit. Can I send over a free audit? Example for e-commerce owners. Hey John, I noticed your store is running ads but might be missing retargeting. I specialize in fixing that and helping brands boost revenue. Can I send a free audit? Send 20-30 messages per day to your ideal clients on Instagram, LinkedIn, or via email. Day 5 and 6. Content marketing trick to attract inbound leads. While you're reaching out, you also want to make clients come to you. Here's how. Post a results post every day. Even if you don't have clients yet, share industry case studies, trends, or personal tests. Use CTA hooks. At the end of every post, say, want a free strategy call? Comment growth below. Day 7. Closing the deal with a simple sales script. Now that you have interested leads, it's time to close them on a call. Use this script, 3-step sales call, Formula 1. Ask about their business and pain points. What's your biggest struggle with getting leads or sales right now? 1. Explain your solution without overloading info. Pro tip, offer a pay-after-results guarantee to remove hesitation. This is the exact strategy that got me high-paying clients. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next marketing hack.